Mohali court sentenced Bajinder Singh, a self-proclaimed Christian pastor, to life imprisonment in the 2018 rape case. But this won't be his first stint in prison. Now, he was previously involved in a murder case and has spent time in jail. Reportedly, Bajinder Singh has been accused of luring a woman to his house on the pretext of offering assistance to travel abroad. The woman said in a complaint that he raped her, recorded a video, and threatened to upload it on social media if she resisted. Born in 1982 in Haryana, he comes from a Hindu Jat family. Singh converted to Christianity over a decade ago while serving a prison sentence for an alleged murder case. Now, after his release, he established Church of Glory and Wisdom in 2016, which rapidly expanded across Punjab and beyond. He then went viral for his miraculous healing claims, asserting that he can even cure cancer and AIDS.
दोनों पति पत्नी एड्स की बीमारी से आजाद हो। कितने साल हो गए आपकी शादी को?
8 साल।
8 साल। आपके शरीर से 14,000 दुष्ट आत्माएं निकल कर गई हैं अभी 14,000।
And these sermons are usually aided by the song. And when he boasted of healing this speech-impaired girl, it fueled a meme frenzy.
ये तेरी बहन बोल नहीं सकती थी?
नहीं बोल सकती थी।
हालेलुया! हाँ बेटे, अभी क्या हुआ?
बोलने लगी।
However, this later landed him in legal trouble. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights sent a letter to the Deputy Commissioner of Chandigarh seeking action against Singh for using a minor boy for unusual superstition activity. But this wasn't Singh's first brush with the law. He had spent 18 months in jail for a murder case, and in 2018, Singh was then booked in a rape case. Now, a local court in Punjab's Mohali has finally sentenced Bajinder Singh to life imprisonment for the same. Now, Singh is also facing charges in another case involving the sexual harassment and assault of another woman. In March 2025, a woman alleged that Singh had sexually harassed, mentally tortured, and intimidated her. On February 20, the victim lodged a complaint in Jalandhar. She said that Singh had allegedly touched her on multiple occasions since 2020 and has also sent her inappropriate messages. He even asked her to marry him and stalked her on her way to college. She and her parents had been visiting the Church of Glory and Wisdom since 2017.
मैं तो चाहती हूँ वो एक साइको इंसान है, वो हमेशा ही अंदर है, बाहर आके वो यही काम करेगा।
Singh denied the claim, saying, "I have 2 children at home. I'm the father of small children. I can never do such wrong thing."
देखो, जो आरोप लगाए हैं मेरे ऊपर वो बिल्कुल बेबुनियाद है, उसमें कोई भी दम नहीं है। ये सब जो है पड़ंत गड़ंत षड्यंत्र रचा गया, बेबुनियाद कहानी है।
Recently, another FIR was filed against Singh over a viral video showing him thrashing a man and a woman. He was seen throwing a phone and a book at 2 people in his office. The woman held that they were asked to stay back and that the pastor had asked people to hand over their phones. She said that the pastor threw a phone towards a boy who had previously objected to his inappropriate behavior towards his sister and also smashed a laptop. The woman said that she has worked at Bajinder Singh's church for many years and has finally resigned. She also alleged that the young women and girls who volunteered at the church were being stalked and harassed by Singh.